Hello and welcome to eClicks. In today's tutorial, I will be showing you how to use this trending CapCut template to go viral on TikTok. Okay, let's get started. First of all, you will need to head over to your CapCut, then click on template, and search for Free Palestine. Once you have found it, click on it and it will open like this. Then click on Use Template. Once you have done that, this will take you to your gallery, where you can select the picture you want to use. If you want to use your TikTok account like me, then make sure that you have taken a screenshot of it and save it to your gallery. Once you are on your gallery, go ahead and select the picture, click on it twice to have it in slot 1 and 2. Once you have done that, click on the play button to see how it plays, and if you are satisfied with it, you can now export it and post it to your TikTok. Let me know in the comments if you were able to do it and follow me for more content and tutorials.